What's up guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Are you facing an SMTP authentication error when trying to send emails through Google Workspace? SMTP authentication errors with Google Workspace typically occurs due to incorrect password use, two-factor authentication conflicts, incorrect SMTP server settings, etc. In this video, I'll break down the complete fixes for authentication errors to get your outgoing emails working again. And if you're still facing issues after trying these solutions, our support team is ready to assist. Just call at these numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's begin with the process now. First, you need to access the Google account page. After that, click on the security option in the left panel. Then scroll down a bit to look for this two-step verification option and ensure that is on. Next, click on the password option. When prompted, enter your password and confirm it to proceed. Click on the change password and see if you're still facing the same issue.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.